Ngizole ngibukele bo. Akam. Ah. Yini kamu kwenzala? Uprinti wa. Yena. Akam. Ai, babu kamu printi. Kamu kwenzala? Uprinti wa. Lenza. Kamu. Ai, babu kamu printi. Why? Uprinti wa. Ake khona owamazala. Uzwile ukuthi bekhala ukamu no printi. Bebalelithi yabo mina manje wrong nisifusela into yakho. Bapoliti wabona. Uprinti. Kamu lenza. Baba ngithathe remote lapha kuqala uprinti uyayihlutha uyangihluthela lapha. Uyangihluthela mara mina bengithola ngibuyele kuqala lana okumoya. Ngibani opoliti? Ukama. Dad. Uwe printi mose. Okay. Mama printi nayo. Usisithu printi. Wenzani futhi? Asambe sana. Kamu ngubani opolitiki? Kamu uyo oshayiti. Uyishanga? Beyathi uhluthiwe mina. Into lenyezwa ekhalithi gogo bewe. Vou pôr tudo remote ali. Vamos puxar ele bom dia, não vou baixar. Vamos a darle Frank.
Oh, shut up. Then
Hello guys, I guess this is the end of the video. If you liked the video, please guys comment, share, subscribe so you can get notified next time when I go live, or when next time I drop a video. I think he blocked me. And so you can see more and watch more of my videos like these pranks, home pranks and everything. So guys, please, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you do like, share, subscribe. You understand? So you can get notified, guys. And follow me on my socials, Instagram Kamkhalo Fredericks 141, and on TikTok Kamkhalo Fredericks. And yeah, subscribe too, guys. Bye.